In this video, we're going to explore Git Aliases. Git Aliases are a powerful feature that allow you to create shortcuts for frequently used Git commands. This can save you time, reduce typing errors, and help you customize your Git workflow. Git Aliases are custom shortcuts for Git commands that you use frequently. They help you save time by reducing the amount of typing required for long commands, reduce typing errors, and help you create custom workflows. Let's look at an example. Without an alias, to create a new branch, you might type git checkout b feature branch. With an alias, you could simply type git cb feature branch. There are a couple of methods to create Git aliases. The first method involves using the gitconfig command. To create an alias for Git status, you can use the command gitconfig global alias.st status. Similarly, to create an alias for Git checkout, you would use gitconfig global alias.co checkout. You can also create aliases with multiple commands. For example, gitconfig global alias.ac git add. And in git commitm, creates an alias that adds all changes and then commits with a message. To use this, you would type git ac followed by your commit message. Note that the exclamation mark allows running external commands. Another way to create Git aliases is by directly editing the gitconfig file. This file is located at /.gitconfig on Linux or Mac, or c:\users\yourname/ gitconfig single quote on Windows. To open the config file with your default editor, use the command gitconfig global edit. Alternatively, you can open it directly with a text editor like nano/.gitconfig or vim/.gitconfig. Inside the config file, you'll find a section labeled Alias. Under this section, you can define your aliases. For example, st equals status, co equals checkout, cb equals checkout b, cm equals commit m, br equals branch, and unstitch equals reset head. After saving the file, your aliases will be immediately available for use. Here are some common Git aliases that can help streamline your workflow. St for status helps you check the repository status. Co for checkout allows you to quickly switch branches. cb for checkout b enables you to create and switch to a new branch. cm for commit m lets you commit with a message. br for branch is used to list branches. Unstitch for reset head removes files from the staging area. And last for log-1 head shows the last commit. Let's explore some advanced Git aliases for enhanced workflow. AC for git add. And in git commitm, adds all changes and commits them in one step. Amend for commit, amends the last commit. Undo for reset, soft head caret, undoes the last commit while keeping the changes. Visual for Git opens a visual Git history browser. LG for log graph, one line provides a pretty log with a graph. And aliases for config, Git rejects alias lists all configured aliases. Commands with an exclamation mark can execute shell commands and combine multiple Git operations. Here are some examples of custom Git aliases you can create. For pretty log visualization, use gitconfig global alias.log graph pretty equals format %cred %h %crescit -% yellow %d %crescit %s %creen %r %c bold blue %and %crescit abbrev commit date equals relative. This will create a beautiful, readable log format with branches and commit info, and you can use it by typing git lg. For a quick commit workflow, use gitconfig global alias.save git add a and in git commit m. This adds all changes and commits in one command, and you can use it by typing git save followed by your commit message. To find and remove all merged branches, use gitconfig global alias.cleanup git branch merged grep *zargs git branch d. This alias cleans up your local repository, by deleting all branches that have been merged into the current branch. You can use it by simply typing git cleanup. Here are some best practices to keep in mind when creating Git aliases. Keep aliases short but meaningful. Document your aliases for team sharing. Start with common aliases before creating custom ones. Use consistent naming conventions. Back up your .gitconfig file. And regularly review and update your aliases. In summary, Git aliases provide powerful shortcuts for frequently used commands, helping you increase productivity, reduce typing errors, customize Git to your workflow, and combine multiple commands into one. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.